The trial continued today for a man charged with murder in Jeannette. His lawyer claims he wasn't the one who pulled the trigger. Instead, they say it was his twin brother. Ross Guidotti says the defense is sticking to its story. He's live in Westmoreland County. Ross.
Yeah, the prosecution taking more evidence to put in front of the jury, as well as several people taking the stand on the prosecutor's side. But still, the defense attorney in this case says this is simply a case of mistaken identity, and his client did not murder the man. Day 2 of Darrell Tolbert McGee's murder trial would see the prosecution present evidence from the April 2017 Jeannette shooting, bullet fragments, and the murder victim Michael Wilson's clothes. Captivating images, but absolutely irrelevant, according to McGee's defense.
There's no DNA in this case. There's no gun in this case. There's nothing to connect this murder with my client scientifically or forensically.
State Police Corporal Nick Pelk on the stand testifying that he questioned the suspect's now deceased twin brother, Dwayne Tolbert McGee, on a drug case. Now, when arrested, Dwayne Tolbert McGee told investigators that he was his brother and even presented his brother's identification card. The defense contending Dwayne Tolbert McGee was in fact the one who killed Michael Wilson.
And that's consistent with our theory of mistaken identity.
Finally, watching the videotape of the shooting, Michael Wilson's child's mother took the stand saying that she knew both of the McGees, Charnel Jackson, telling the jury that she knows Darnell Tolbert McGee was the one firing a pistol at her child's father.
This young woman came in, with a particular purpose, and she has the right to testify. But again, she's not an eyewitness, and there's no way in the world someone can identify a mole or the color of eyes by looking at 5 to 10 seconds of a video.
Now, of course, the big question is, what is the motive? Why would Darrell Tolbert McGee want to kill Mr. Wilson? So far, we really haven't heard a lot of that from the prosecution. Tomorrow, however, we could hear a lot more because, as we understand it, this case is moving very quickly. You could see closing arguments. You could see the jury charged as early as tomorrow afternoon, and they may in fact have the case by late afternoon tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. Reporting live in Greensburg, Ross Guidotti, KDKA News.